Welcome, my friends. We are studying mathematics, grade 6, 2024, and this is unit 5. We are talking about dependent and independent variables, and this is the unit 5 assessment. Let's get started. Here we have our first question. Choose the correct answer. Point number 1. Which of the following is an equation? What's the equation? Equation, that means I have left side and equal and right side, but I must have some variables like x or y. Okay. Look here, 20x plus 1.3. Is this mathematical statement is an equation? No. Why? Because there is no equal. That's false. 3 plus a. There is no equal. False. Twice number like 2x, it's not equation. The sum of number and 9 equals f. What? Not with me. The sum, it's mean add, of a number like s, like x, and 9 equals f. Now I have left side and right side in between equals sign. That means this is an equation. Point number 2. In the equation y equal 1 plus x over 2, if x equal 8, then y equal what? So I have equation like that and substitute x equal 8. Then I will find the value of y. Note with me. I have y equal 1 plus x over 2. I have x equal what? Equal 8. I will substitute this x by 8. Now y equal what? 1 plus here 8 instead of x over 2. That's equal 1 plus what? 8 over 2. 8 over 2 equal what? That's mean divide 8 by 2 equal 4. 1 plus 4 equal 5. Now y value when x equal 8 is 5. Where's 5? Here. Okay, next one. 3. The independent variable in the equation a equal 3p plus 1 is what? Independent. Of course, I have a equal 3p plus 1. Always the variable alone here, but b multiplied by 3 and added to 1. That means the independent variable is a or b? No, b is the independent variable, and a is the dependent variable. Okay. Now in equation I can define what is the dependent and the independent. The dependent is alone, just left side or right side, but alone, just him. Okay. Now he asks us about the independent. So independent is b. Independent b. K equals the product of L and 8 in equation. So he need us to write an equation about this variable word. Okay, K equal okay, the product. That means I have multiply L and 8. Note with me, k equal L by 8. Here 8 plus k. L equal or k equal? K equal. L equal. No. K equal and k equal. K equal 8 plus L or 8L. We know that L by 8 it's equal 8L. Okay? That means I have 8 boy. 8 boy. Okay? Now L by 8 it means 8 by L or 8L. Okay? Now this is the correct choice. Point 5. In the equation y equal 3x plus 1, the ordered pair 2a satisfies. What's mean of satisfies the equation? Okay, that's mean I have 2 and a. 2 and a ordered pair. This equal what? X and y. That's mean. Okay, now I know what 2 is x and a is y. Now I have know that x equal 2, right? Then y equal what? I have equation here. Okay, write it. Y equal 3x plus 1. I know x value equal 2. Now substitute x in this equation. I will get the value of y. 3 by x, 3 by 2 plus 1. 3 by 2 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7. So the value of y here or a, because a equal y here. Okay, now a equal y equal 7. Okay, next one, the dependent variable, not with me. Point 4 or point 3, he asked us about the independent and we choose B. Not with me here, he asked us about dependent variable. Look, the dependent variable always alone. Always alone. Okay? Even in right side or left side, whatever. Okay? Now the dependent is x. R is. What mean R is? R is, this mean R equal. Equal what? Equal 9 times B. 9 times B. Added 2. This mean plus. 17. Okay. Now, look with me. R equal N by B. That's mean what? Not N, not N. That's 9. That's 9. Sorry. 9. Now, 9 by B. That's mean 9B plus 17. Now, look for this equation here. 17 equal? No. 9B equal? No. 9R equal? No. R equal 9B plus 17. Correct answer. Okay? Go to the next question. Question number 2. Complete the following. Point 1. The verbal phrase for W plus 12 equals 7 is. We know that this is the algebraic phrase. You need the verbal. What's the meaning of the verbal? It's word. Use words to write the equation. Now, it's easy. We have addition operation. Now, I can tell that add a number W to add 2. Add W to 12 equals what? Equals 7. I think it's easy, right? Okay. Point 2. In the equation T equals 7R. If R equal 3.1, then t would be what? He asked us about the value of t. I have equation here and I have substitute r equal 3.1. I need to find the value of t. T equal what? T equal 7r. That means 7 by r. R equal 3.1. Now I need to multiply 7 by 3.1. Okay, just multiply with me. 7 by 1 equals 7 and 7 by 3 equal 21. Don't forget to put the decimal point just after to the left of one digit here. Now the value of t is 21.7. Question number 3.3. If a number a depends on another number p, note with me, a depends on b, then the dependent variable, always the first number depends on the other. The first one is the dependent and the second one is the independent. Now we ask us about the dependent variable, it's a. Okay, if he asks us about the independent, it's b. Okay, for e equals f. Note with me, e equals f. Just f? No. Increased by 2.1, increased plus 2.5 in algebraic equation. I just write it. That's easy. Okay, 0.5. If the roll is add 9, sorry. Okay, then the equation is what? Always I have two variables, x and y. Okay, add 9 to the dependent or the independent to the independent. So add 9. Okay, add 9. This means y equal x add 9. I just add 9 to the independent variable to get the dependent variable. Okay, so if x is 4, then y equal what? Just substitute x equal 4 in this equation. I got the value of y. Y equal x plus 9. X equal 4. Write 4 instead of x plus 9. That's equal 13. Okay. 0.6. The equation which represented by the opposite table is. Now I need to look good to this table and think about the relationship between x values and y values. Note with me, 0 and 0, 0x and 0y. I can't find out what is the relationship between 0 and 0. So, no, not look here, but look to the next one. I have 2 becomes 4. 2 becomes 4. 2 becomes 4. How? Maybe 2 plus 2 equal 4. Or maybe 2 by 2 equal 4. So he may add 2 or multiply 2. Okay? To be sure about which one of them is the correct one, go to the next x and y. I have 5 becomes 10. 5 becomes 10. If I added 2 to 5, may I get 10? No. So it's correct. It's incorrect. But 5 by 2 equal 10, right? So 2 by 2 equal 4. 5 by 2 equal 10. Go to the next. 7 by 2 equal 14. 10 by 2 equal 20. So 0 by 2 equals 0, because 0 multiply any number equals 0. Okay, now the rule is multiply by 2. multiply by 2, multiply by 2. Now we can tell that the equation I can write, of course, y is the dependent and x is the independent. All x here multiplied by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2. So x by 2, that's mean 2x. That's mean 2x. Try any x values like 10, delete x and put 10, 2 by 10 equal 20, right? Right, this is the equation. 0.7, 30 more than g equals h. In equation, write it as equation, as algebraic equation. I have 30 more than g, 30 more than plus g equals h. This is our equation. 30 plus g equal h. Okay. Last point, 8, 4 and blank satisfies the role like equation. Okay. Y equal half x plus 4. Y equal half x plus 4. Now I have equation. What's this mean? This means x value 4. So this blank is value of y when x equal what? When x equal 4. Now we have ordered pair x and y. I know the y value. I need to find I know the x value, so I need to find out the y value. I have this rule. Okay, just put 4 instead of x and find the value of y. Now y equal half x. X equal what? Equal 4 plus 4. That's equal half 4. Half 4 equal 2 plus 4 equals 6. Now y value is 6. Now go to the next question. Okay, buddy. Now we have question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Okay. Point 1. The rule or the equation is multiply by 6. What multiply by 6? Of course, 6x. Direct. Okay. If x equal third, then y equal what? Note with me. Multiply by 6. That means x by 6. 6x equal what? Equal y. I have rule or equation. Right? Now I need to find the value of y when x equal third. Just substitute x by third. 6 by third. That means 6 multiply third. Okay. Okay. Now I have 6 over what? Over 1. We know about simplifying numbers with each other. I have 6 by 1 equals 6. 1 by 3 equals 3. Now 6 over 3 equal to y equal to. Next question. If y equals 7 plus 2x, this is equation. Then blank and 11. X and y. So here we have x. So I need to find the value of x. Right? Right. No. 11 is what? Is y values. Right? No. Now I know the y value and I need to find out x value. It's the same. I have equation y equal 7 plus 2x. Right? Right. The previous question, I have x value and I find out the y value. Okay? It's the opposite operation. I know the y value, so I will substitute y by its value 11. Equal what? Equal 7 plus 2x. Now I need to find out the value of x. To find out the value of x, we learn it to solve equations. By what? By putting the missing variable or the unknown or the variable just alone in any side, even right or left. Now, I have here 2x. I need to what? To remove this 7 to the other side. Okay, I have here 2x. Here we have equal and 11. Don't forget that 2x is plus. 11 is plus. It's positive, not negative. Now, 7 here is plus. When I convert it to the other side, it will be negative 7. Right? Right. Now, 2x without this sign, okay, equal minus or negative 7 plus 11 equal what? Equal what? Note with me. I have positive 11. Add to it negative 7. Now, negative 7 will delete positive 7. And then the rest of 11 will be 4. Right? In another shape, I can say that 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7, because 11 is positive and 7 is negative. I can say that 11 minus 7 equal 4. And I think it's easy. Okay? Okay. Or the positive and the negative delete each other. Okay? So negative 7 will delete positive 7. And the rest of the 11 will be 4. Now, 4 equal 2x or 2x equal 4. It's the same. Now, I need to delete x. This 2. 2 multiply x. Okay? The way to remove this 2, to divide each side by 2. 2 by 2 equal 1. 4 by 2 equal 2. Now x value equal 2. This x equal 2. Question number 3 is equation y equal 2x plus 1 if the input is 4. What's input? It's the independent. And the independent here is x. Then the output y equal what? It's easy. I have x value, need to find out the y value. Okay, I have an equation y equal 2x plus 1. Substitute x equal what? Equal 4. So 2 by 4 plus 1. 2 by 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. So y equal 9. Y equal 9. Question 4. 3 times m increased by 2 equals n in equation is. Now I have verbal phrase. Convert it to algebraic phrase. Okay. 3 times m, 3m. It's okay. Increased plus by 2 equals n. That's it. Okay. F. Next one, 5. The ordered pair which satisfies the rule y equal x plus 2. I have here equation and some ordered pair. Okay, I need to find out which one is correct for this equation. Try with me. I have x and y. Put x in the equation. Substitute x equals 0. If I get y equals 0, this pair is correct. If y not equal to 0, it's false. Try with me. Put x here equals 0. 0 plus 2 equal 2. So y will be 2. Y here 0. It's false. Put x equal 1. 1 plus 2 equal 3. So y equal 3. Y here equal what? 2. False. Here, put x equal 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Oh, yeah. When I substitute x by 2, I find that the value of y will be 4. And this is correct answer. Now, point 6. The verbal phrase for the role y equal 3x. What is the meaning of y equal 3x? 3 multiply a number x. Okay, or 3 times x. Here, add 3? No. Increase? No. Subtract? No. Multiply by 3. When he said multiply by 3, that's mean 3 by x or 3x equal y. Okay? Okay. Last point. In the equation y equal x plus 1, if the output is y equal 1, then the input x equal what? So I have the value of y. Just substitute y equal 1 and find the value of x. I have y equal x plus 1. Y value is 1. 1 equal x plus 1. I need to find the value of x. Now move this plus 1 to the other side with opposite sign. Now I have x plus 1. When I convert this plus 1 to the other side, it will be negative, and this one is already positive. Now x equal minus 1 plus 1. The same number, once with negative and other time with positive, it will lead each other, it's equal 0. Right? 1 positive and 1 negative. Together equals 0. 2 positive or 2 and 2 negative equals 0. Negative 3 plus 3, 0. Negative 4 plus 4, 0. The same thing, 1 minus 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0. So the value of x equal 0. Go to the next question. Now we have the last question in our assessment. Read carefully with me. Create a table. Create a table. I have table with some missing data. I need to complete it. That shows the object you buy, something you will buy, and the amount of money it would cost you. I will buy something with some money. Okay, this is a relationship between x and y. Okay, now this object, let x be the number of basketball. I will buy some basketball. How many basketball I will buy? X. So x, the number of basketball I will buy. Okay, okay, and y, total cost. Y, total cost of this basketball. Now I need to find out the equation, but I have here some data not with me. He said that 3 ball will cost me 6 tokens. Tokens is just a coin. Just a coin. Okay, maybe 10, maybe 5. Just a token. Just some money as a coin. Maybe silver or gold or whatever. Okay, it's money. Okay, now 3 ball for 6 token. Now what is the cost of 3 ball? 3 ball will cost you 6 token. Now the number of basketball is x, so x equal 3. Then the cost equal y, so y equal 6 token. When x equal 3, I have y equal 6. How can y equal something with x. Note, if I have x equal 3, 2 becomes 6. Just multiply it by what? By 2. 6 equal 2 by 3. Okay, now 2 is a constant, so y equal 2 pi x. That's mean y equal 2x. So our equation, y equal 2x. If you need to pi, as example, okay, one pole, x equal 1. Put 1 instead of x. 2 pi 1 equal 2. If you need to pi 2 pole, you will pi what? You will pay, or the cost, 2 by 2 equal 4. 3 by 2 equals 6. 4 by 2 equal 8. And so on. Okay? Okay. Now, make graph on the table you made. I will convert this table to a graph in this plan. Coordinate plane. Okay, I will put this table data on it. Okay, now label the axis y and axis x and give title to the graph. Use the tools to draw. Note with me how to solve. It's easy. I have here x-axis and here y-axis. X-axis, what x? X the number of basketball. So x, I write here number of basketball. Okay, okay. Y, total cost. That's easy. Okay, that's called name, where label the axis x or y. Okay, so axis y, total cost, axis x, number of basketball. Now write numbers. I hear of x, I need 1 2 3 4. Okay, here we have 0, here we have 1 2 3 and 4, maybe 5 or 6. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I need 2 4 6 8. So here we have 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I can write it descendingly like that. Okay, now to graph. Okay, the first ordered pair 1 and 2, 1 on x and go up to 2, we will meet each other here, the first point. Next ordered pair 2 and 4, 2 on x, 4 on y axis, next point. Third order pair 3 and 6, 3 and go up for 6, where 6 here. Okay, last ordered pair 4 and 8, we have 4 and go up for 8 here. Okay, now note with me, when you match these points with each other, try use your ruler. Okay, make sure another color. Okay, start from what? From where? Start from here and go up, maybe like that. Okay, okay. Now I started here from the first line, maybe axis y or axis x, and go up and make some extents here. Okay, okay. Now we graph our table from our equation and reach to the end of unit 5 assessment. Okay, I wish you good understanding, and our next video will be the start of unit 6. Okay, and unit 6 are talking about data distribution. I wish you good time. Thank you and see you later.